Hi everyone, we have prepared the latest market updates for July the 1st, 2022. Hyundai union in South Korea votes to strike. Union workers at Hyundai Motor Co. in South Korea voted Friday to strike for the first time in 4 years over demands for higher wages, an outrage that company management is prioritizing overseas investments. If the union, one of the country's largest with 46,000 members, votes to strike, other industries could follow suit, threatening to slow the country's economy, which depends on manufacturing, whose exports last month grew at the slowest pace in more than a year and a half. The union is demanding an increase in the minimum basis monthly wage and a performance-based payout equal to Hyundai's 2022 net income, as skyrocketing inflation is cutting workers' wages. They also demand that Hyundai invest in the country to support new businesses, including urban air mobility, specialty vehicles, and the production of parts for electric vehicles. The demands come after Hyundai Motor Group announced plans to invest more than $10 billion in the United States by 2025, including $5.5 billion to build an electric car and battery plant in Georgia. As a result, Hyundai Motor's shares were down 0.3% compared with a 1.2% drop in the benchmark Kospi index. Russia takes over Sakhaline-2, raising tensions. President Vladimir Putin signed a decree Thursday to take over the Sakhalin-2 gas and oil project in Russia's Far East, which could force Shell and Japanese companies Mitsui and Mitsubishi to abandon their investments amid a deepening economic standoff over Ukraine. The decree says the new company will take over all rights and obligations of Sakhalin Energy Investment Co., in which the two Japanese trading companies and Shell plc own just under 50%. The 5-page decree passed amid Western sanctions against Moscow over its invasion of Ukraine indicates that the Kremlin will decide whether foreign shareholders will remain in the consortium. Shell clearly stated its intention to withdraw from the project months ago and is in talks with potential buyers. However, Japan has previously said it will not give up its stake in the Sakhalin-2 project, which is important for its energy security, even if it is asked to withdraw from the project. Shares of Mitsui & Co. and Mitsubishi Corp fell 6% in trading Friday on concerns about impairment losses. They lagged the broader Nikkei index, which fell 1.9%. FTX rejects deal with Celsius due to overreporting. According to two sources with knowledge of the failed deal, FTX was interested in gaining control of Celsius but abandoned it after assessing the company's financial condition. According to one source, Celsius's financial report allegedly showed a $2 billion deficit. After initially considering a financial rescue or a direct takeover, the cryptocurrency exchange concluded that the company was difficult to work with. As a result, FTX found it impossible to acquire the company. In May, Celsius reported that it had 1.7 million users and about $12 billion in assets under management. However, the company has suspended withdrawals since June 12th and has been silent since June 19th. Similarly, Sam Bankman-Fried, creator of the widely used FTX exchange, recently expressed concerns that some crypto exchanges are secretly insolvent and may soon go out of business. However, FTX may yet decide to make a significant purchase. The company is showing interest in Celsius's competitor, BlockFi, after FTX provided the latter with a $250 million revolving fund. The two companies are now discussing the terms of a potential deal.